Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to make an elbow in Solidworks with flange and rib. So let's start. At first choose front plane, make it normal and sketch. From here choose line, draw two line and keep the dimension of this line 150 millimeter. It is also 150 millimeter. Okay, now from here choose sketch fillet and select this corner point and keep the parameters 65 millimeter. Now choose OK. Sketch out. Now choose the top plane and select sketch and choose circle and draw a circle at the bottom of the line. See, it is in the origin point, so draw a circle here. Now keep the dimension of this circle 65 millimeter. Okay, now from features choose swift boss and base. See here the sketch 2, the circle is automatically selected here, so path, choose path and select this line. Now okay, now we need to shell this face and this face, so we are going to use the shell command. So from feature select shell and keep the parameters 3 millimeter and choose this face and this face. Now select OK. Now see, our elbow is almost ready, so right now we are going to create flange. Select this face and make it normal, sketch and draw two circle and another one is up to this edge. Okay, now choose smart dimension and keep the dimension of this circle 120 millimeter. Now select OK. From features choose extruded boss and base and extruded it up to 5 millimeter. No, extruded it up to 8 millimeter. Now select OK. At same thing we have to do here. So select this face and make it normal. From here sketch and draw two circle. One is up to this edge and another one is choose smart dimension and 120 millimeter. Okay, now again from feature extruded boss base and extruded up to 8 millimeter. Select OK. Now we are going to make some hole, so select this face and make it normal and sketch. Select line and from here from the center point select draw a vertical line and draw another line okay and keep the dimension, keep the angular dimension of these two line 45 degree. Okay, keep it 54 degree. Okay, now keep the distance of this line 95. Not actually 95. 47.5. 47.5. Okay. Now draw a circle here and choose smart dimension and keep the diameter of this circle 11 millimeter. Now select OK and make this two line construction geometry. Now from feature, extruded cut it up to surface, this surface. Now choose OK. Now we are going to create multiple number of hole, so select extruded cut 1 and go to circular pattern, select parameter and choose this, choose this S. Okay, so 360 degree, 4 number of patterns and equal spacing. Okay, sorry, again go to feature, choose extruded cut 1. Now okay, now see there are 4 number of hole, so again select this face, make it normal, sketch, draw 2 line. And keep the angular dimension of these two line 54 degree. Select OK and again choose smart dimension and keep the length of this line 47.5 millimeter. Okay, now draw a circle here and keep the diameter of this circle 11 millimeter. Okay, now again from feature, extruded cut line up to next. Okay, okay, now select a cut extruded 2 and again go to circular pattern, select parameter and choose this S and see 4 number of parameters, equal spacing and 360 degree. Okay, now we are going to create some rib. So again choose front plane and go to reference geometry, select plane and create a plane over the front plane. So keep the distance 0 millimeter. Okay, now select this plane and sketch. Okay, make it normal and now choose line and from here draw a line. Again from here to it will be perpendicular. Okay, now from feature, select rib, choose 5 millimeter, not actually 5 millimeter, 7 millimeter. Okay, choose rib and again go to circular pattern and choose parameter, sorry, choose parameter and select this is we want for number of parameters equal spacing. Okay, now see our rib is also ready, it's looking nice. And again choose this plane, normal, sketch, again choose line, okay, same thing. Now from feature, rib 7mm, okay, see, choose rib 2 and from here choose circular pattern, select parameters and select this as for number of parameters 360 degree and equal spacing. Okay, now see that our extruded cut hole is not at the middle point of these two ribs, so we need some modification. So from here, extruded cut 1, go to sketch and from here choose smart dimension and keep the angular dimension of these two line 45 degree, choose okay. Now sketch out, see, now the extruded cut hole is at the middle point of this two rib. Again do it for this flange, so choose extruded cut 2 and select sketch and edit sketch. Again choose smart dimension and keep the dimension of these two line 45 degree, select okay. Yeah, now it is perfect. So hide this plane and now define some material, make it plain carbon steel, apply close, make it plain white, select here some color, okay. Now see our elbow with flange and rib is almost done. So thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe my channel to get more videos about Solidworks. Thank you for watching.